Remember that completely bizarre internet drama earlier this year about a weird social media network that was supposedly populated entirely by software bots talking to each other? Well, the automation crustacean behind that entire spectacle is now crawling out of the server farm and straight onto a mobile device near you. I am talking about OpenClaw, the completely free, open source AI agent that had the entire internet captivated, and it is finally available as a dedicated application on both iOS and Android. They just dropped the big news on X on Tuesday, and it is a pretty massive leap forward for having personal automation in your pocket. To get it working on either platform, you simply pair your smartphone with something called the OpenClaw Gateway. You can think of it as a smart routing layer that acts like a digital traffic cop, connecting whatever wild request you type in directly to the AI agents and all the specific tools and skills they need to actually get the job done. Clue: the biggest takeaway here is that you no longer need to be tethered to a desktop to run complex tasks. You can manage your personal army of digital helpers while you are waiting in line for coffee. If you take the time to program them correctly, users have proven they can be incredibly helpful. People are already throwing everything at them, putting these agents to work writing complex code, planning out weekly meals, and handling tedious daily tasks, though I will be honest, some folks have definitely reported some wildly less than desirable, completely unhinged results. You probably remember OpenClaw going incredibly viral back in February when the Moltbook site launched. That whole situation was wild, especially since the creator of OpenClaw, Peter Steinberger, casually announced he had joined OpenAI right around the same time. Later on, investigative researchers blew the lid off the Moltbook spectacle, revealing that the bot social network was actually partially fueled by real human beings just pretending to be artificial agents. It was an incredibly effective piece of internet theater that doubled as absolute genius marketing for OpenClaw, even if it did cost them a little bit of credibility in the hardcore developer community. But regardless of the stunts, pointed directly toward the agentic future we are all hurtling towards, a future that has only kept expanding at breakneck speed ever since. Fast forward to today, and these autonomous agents are deeply embedded across the entire technological landscape. They are creeping into our workflows, our browsers, and now they are literally setting up camp on the home screen of your phone. It really makes you wonder how long it will be before having a digital assistant managing your entire life stops being a fun tech experiment and just becomes the completely normal, baseline expectation for how we interact with our devices every single day.